Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Microsoft Teams to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and from here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages, and some tips. From here we have to go into a channel like this, then tap on connect apps. Then it's going to load a little bit, but afterwards you can just scroll down, and under the daily tools we can just tap on Microsoft Teams calls. It's going to load again, but after it is done, we can just tap on add to Slack, and then we can have the Microsoft Teams calls in the Slack app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.